Thanks, Adrian. I think at this point, I wanted to say most importantly, thank you to Sonia. Sonia, you've done an amazing job moderating these sessions, and your support of you and your team is greatly appreciated. And to you, Adrian, for doing such a very good job of summarizing a fantastically content-rich event. To all of you who've written questions, I've actually now answered all of them bar one. So that was about 13 questions. So thanks for that. All of you will get, as I said before, an email after this webinar, which has the recording and all of the handouts and the report itself attached. You can download the report on the QR code there as well. It'll be put on our website. We encourage you, and all of us here present will be answering questions via social media and email. This is a new concept. It's a blueprint for action. I think a number of you have sort of asked me, is it better or worse than other funding schemes? Is it, I don't think that funding schemes actually do have to compete. They just all have to be there. In the end, the consumer will choose what's best for him or her, the local authority for them, and we have, as you've seen, the challenge is so massive. We've got to do 3.5 million actions at a deeper rate than we currently do, considerably less. And so it's really all hands on deck. So I think the energy efficiency community and the buildings renovation community would do itself a favor, not sort of competing one idea against another. We just need to make sure that all the potential renovators and all the potential renovations are both done, funded efficiently, and done to the deep standards that are required by our energy efficiency trajectory, and frankly, to make us less dependent on gas. So with those closing words, again, thank you to panelists, thank you to speakers, thank you to reviewers, thank you to Sonia, thank you to my team for all of the hard work you've put in. And I say, just watch the space. I really hope that this will launch a series of activities and that you'll all be a part of it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.